In this video, we will learn how to formulate effective data retention policies essential for compliance and risk management in 2023.
Did you know that improper data retention can cost companies millions in fines? Welcome to our video on mastering data retention policies in 2023. As data privacy regulations become more stringent, understanding and implementing effective data retention policies is no longer optional, it's essential. Today, you'll learn how to create policies that not only keep your organization compliant but also protect user data and manage risks. Stay tuned to find out how you can prepare for the challenges and opportunities that 2023 will bring.
Let's start with the basics. What exactly are data retention policies? These are formal guidelines that dictate how long an organization should keep specific types of data. The purpose is to ensure compliance with legal requirements, improve data management, and minimize security risks. A well-crafted policy includes clear definitions of data types, retention timelines, and deletion protocols. Data retention policies not only affect how companies manage information but also how they communicate with clients and regulators. For instance, a policy might dictate that customer data is kept for 5 years to comply with industry regulations. Successful policies are those that are clear, compliant, and flexible enough to adapt to changing legal landscapes.
With regulations like GDPR and CCPA, understanding the legal landscape is crucial for any data retention policy. The GDPR, or General Data Protection Regulation, is a comprehensive data protection law affecting companies operating within the EU or dealing with EU citizens. It mandates strict guidelines on data processing and retention. The California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA, is another significant regulation, offering similar protections to California residents. Besides these, industry-specific regulations like HIPAA for healthcare and FINRA for financial services impose additional requirements. Navigating these laws requires staying informed and adapting policies to meet international and industry-specific standards, a challenge for many global organizations. Assessing the data lifecycle is a critical step in crafting effective retention policies. Start by identifying the types of data your organization handles, such as customer records, financial data, and employee information. Each data type has a different life cycle, from creation and use to retention and deletion. Evaluate the business value and risks associated with each type of data. For example, customer purchase history might be valuable for marketing but poses privacy risks. Once you understand these elements, you can determine appropriate retention periods and create a life cycle map, ensuring that data is kept only as long as necessary and deleted when no longer needed.
A retention schedule is a vital component of any data retention policy. It outlines how long different types of data should be kept, balancing business needs with compliance requirements. Start by categorizing data into groups based on function and legal obligations. Next, determine retention periods for each category, considering factors like regulatory requirements, business value, and storage costs. Technology can be a great ally here, with tools that automate scheduling and alerts for upcoming deletions. It's also important to regularly review and update your schedule to reflect changes in business operations or regulations, ensuring your policy remains relevant and effective.
Balancing data access and privacy is a complex but necessary task. On one hand, data should be accessible to those who need it for decision-making. On the other, it must be protected from unauthorized access. Implementing role-based access controls ensures that only authorized personnel have access to sensitive data. Anonymization techniques, such as removing identifiable information, can further protect privacy. Employee training is essential in promoting awareness of data privacy principles. Regular monitoring and auditing access logs can help identify potential security breaches and ensure compliance with privacy regulations, creating a secure yet accessible data environment. Automation plays a critical role in managing data retention and deletion efficiently. By automating data deletion processes, you can ensure timely compliance with retention schedules and minimize human error. Popular tools like Microsoft 365 Compliance Center and Google Workspace offer built-in features for automating data deletion. When setting up automated processes, ensure they are accurate and reliable, with clear parameters on what data to delete and when. Regularly monitoring these systems is crucial to catch any errors or discrepancies early. Automation not only streamlines operations but also provides peace of mind that your data management practices are up to date and compliant.
Not all data can follow the standard retention schedule, especially when it comes to legal holds and exceptions. Legal holds prevent data from being deleted due to ongoing litigation or investigations. Understanding when and how to implement these holds is crucial. Regular communication with your legal team ensures that your data policies align with current legal requirements. Proper documentation and record keeping are essential for tracking what data is held and why. Studying case studies of companies that manage exceptions well can provide valuable insights and help you refine your approach to handling these special cases. Communicating your data retention policy effectively is just as important as formulating it. A clear, well-communicated policy ensures that everyone in your organization understands their roles and responsibilities. Use engaging training methods such as workshops, e-learning modules, and interactive sessions to teach employees about data retention policies. Utilize digital tools like intranets and email campaigns to disseminate policy updates. Regular feedback and assessments can help measure the effectiveness of your training programs and identify areas for improvement. Remember, an informed workforce is your best defense against data mishandling and compliance breaches. Congratulations! You've now got a comprehensive understanding of data retention policies in 2023. Remember, this is an ongoing process. Regularly review and adapt your policies to meet evolving regulatory requirements and business needs. Encourage continuous learning within your team to keep everyone informed and engaged. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with colleagues, and subscribe for more insights. Let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover next. Your feedback helps us create content that matters to you.